So we've been using this Novilla metal bed frame in the queen size for a while now, and it's been a really solid upgrade. It's one of those pieces that works exactly how you want it to without any fuss. The frame feels sturdy right out of the box. Once it's assembled, there's no wobble, no squeaking, and no shifting around when you get in and out of it. The metal slats provide plenty of support, and I really like that it doesn't require a box spring. The mattress fits perfectly on top and feels well supported across the entire frame. One of the biggest bonuses is the underbed storage. With 14 inches of clearance, there's a ton of usable space underneath. We're able to store bins, extra bedding, and random gear without feeling cramped or cluttered. It's especially nice if you're trying to maximize space in a bedroom. The headboard and footboard give it a nice, clean, finished look without feeling too bulky. It has a simple, modern style that works with just about any decor, and it doesn't overpower the room. It feels functional and still looks put together. Assembly was straightforward and didn't take too long. All the parts were clearly labeled and the instructions were easy to follow, but having two people made it even quicker. Once it was set up, it felt solid and ready to go. Overall, this bed frame has been dependable, quiet, and practical. If you're looking for a queen-size frame that's sturdy, offers good storage, and doesn't require a box spring, this one is a really nice choice. I would highly recommend it.
As always, you can find an affiliate link in the description below if you want to check this product out yourself.